Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, topic for discussion is how to cancel fake orders on Amazon with 0% lose or penalty. By follows these steps, you can simply do that. Open Amazon website and go on Help page. Then click on Give Support. Then click on Selling on Amazon. Then click on Browse for your issue in the menu. Then click on Easy Ship and Self-Ship Orders. Then click on Report a Suspicious Order. Then enter the order ID you want to report and click on Next. Here you will have 4 to 5 options. Under Report a Suspicious Order, select the option according to your issue. Once you select a suitable options according to your issue, then a case ID will be created. In Case ID, you have to address all the matter. Report it in advance. If you are sure that the order is fake, in this scenario, there is no other option for Amazon team but to reimburse. And after 45 days of file a report, you will get full. If you find it informative, then share it with others. Thank you for your time.